Today, we're diving into an exciting tool that can transform the way you learn Italian. With the help of interactive flashcards, this application offers a fun and engaging way to master vocabulary and phrases. Let's explore how it can enhance your language learning journey. This application is designed to help users learn Italian through the use of flashcards. It offers a user-friendly interface that allows learners to easily access vocabulary and phrases. The flashcards typically include images, audio pronunciations, and example sentences to enhance understanding and retention. The application often features various categories, such as common phrases, food, travel, and daily conversations, making it suitable for different learning needs. Users can track their progress, engage in quizzes, and practice pronunciation, which makes the learning process interactive and enjoyable. Additionally, it may incorporate spaced repetition techniques to reinforce memory and improve long-term retention of the language. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the flashcard application inspires you to take your Italian learning to the next level. Happy studying, and see you in the next video.